Good morning, YouTube. It's 8:15 right now. We're on the levee, on the way. We just left camp a couple minutes ago. It's overcast this morning, 67 degrees, and we're heading into Clewiston.
And we got 5 miles to get there.
5 miles to the Marina where we're staying tonight.
You said you think it is our shortest day.
Yeah, it is our shortest day today. We got up at the exact same time as always, and we're leaving like way earlier for no reason. It's probably because our tent was dry this morning, which is the first time that's happened on trail, even though we were right next to the lake. I don't know. It was nice and breezy yesterday when we went to sleep, but the wind kind of died
down for
yeah.
sure.
It's foggy out this morning, which is okay with me.
Yeah, adds mystique.
So yeah.
We're gonna stay at Roland's resort.
Yeah.
Marina.
So apparently they have like cabins, hotel rooms, yeah. They do fishing, tours, and swamp boats, and I don't know, a bunch of stuff there. So we should be able to resupply and do laundry at that place. And they have a tiki bar with a restaurant, so excited for that.
So let's get there. So
we made it to 100! Woo! Everyone's very excited. Just kidding. They didn't have one, so we had to make our own. I think we did a great job. Alright, so it's 11 o'clock. We made it to Roland's Marina. The boys went inside to go see if we could check into our room early. Before we got here, we stopped at a grocery store just up the street because we figured we'd wait until 11. That way, just in case they don't let us check in, they have a restaurant right there behind us that supposedly opens at 11, so we'll just eat some lunch while we wait, but hopefully they'll let us in. Alright, we're at Walmart. We're doing our resupply. We only need to resupply for 2 days, and one of the days we're going to run into a restaurant, so we don't need a dinner for that day, so it's basically 1 day. So it's been a really quick resupply for us. We did have to get some stuff like toothpaste and, you know, items such as, but yeah, we're done already. We're going to check out and then head back to the hotel. Hopefully our room's done. So, Rick and Rob's room was done, ours wasn't done. So, by the time we get back, it should be, and then we can get showered and go eat lunch. I'm starving. Alright, what are we doing?
Alright, we're gonna go get some lunch. We haven't ate today. We just got back from Walmart. And yeah, we're gonna get some fish tacos or something.
Or some gator tail.
Yeah, Leah wants to get some gator tail. It's got some dippings or something, right?
Yeah.